My name's Anusha Ellis. I'm here representing Direct Action for Rights and Equality again. We're an organization that's been fighting for racial and economic justice in Rhode Island for over 3 decades. And I've been waiting here for 5 hours to talk about this because this bill really means a lot to us and to our community. Cash bail is a racial and economic justice issue. Every day in Rhode Island, there are people sitting in jail, in prison, who have not been convicted of anything. And when I say they're sitting in prison, I'm saying people are sitting in literal cages, in unsanitary conditions, losing their families, losing custody of their kids, losing their dignity, their well-being, their mental health, simply because they do not have money. And this is not just for big amounts, this is for small amounts. You know, we work with the FANG Collective Bail Fund. We coordinate to make sure that people have bail. People reach out to us for amounts like $300, $150, $100. And it's not for major offenses, it's for things like misdemeanors, which are often related to poverty. Cash bail is an inherently unjust system because it frees those with money and it incarcerates those without, who are disproportionately people of color. And there's really no moral justification for a system like this, because releasing people without bail does not change the likelihood that they will return for a court date. And there's data from New Jersey and Washington, D.C., I think it's in Rep. Felix's handout, that demonstrates that the rates of appearance stayed the same when they implemented reforms like this. So I would just emphasize that ending cash bail is not what causes risk to the public. What is hazardous to the public is the relentless war on poor people, the relentless financial hardship that people are going through. And I really can't, I struggled and struggled to put this into words. It's hard to communicate how much our communities are struggling. We're based in the South Side. We're working with Black and Latino communities, low-income communities who have experienced decades of state neglect, under-resourcing, and the blight of mass incarceration. This bill would mean so much to our community because people are really, really struggling. So I urge you to pass this without delay for the sake of our people, and in solidarity with the hundreds of thousands of people across the country who are suffering behind bars because they cannot afford bail. Thank you.